Hello, welcome to my Swing Trader Trading channel. Do you have a portfolio of mid-cap and small-cap stocks that you began at the beginning of 2023 and it's up 66%? Well, I do. Let's take a look. Today is May 9th, 2024. We're here to review bi-weekly swings portfolio. Please feel free to pause the video if you need to look at some of the detail. I will be going fast. So here on my live scorecard, I have a bar charts for the 6 model portfolios that I update on my website. The number one is Quant Alpha's, up 96% since it started in April of 2023. But we're here to talk about bi-weekly swings, which is up 66%. Let's take a look at the spreadsheet as the detail all the way from the beginning. Starting at the beginning of 2023, you can see it started out behind its benchmark, but as time passed, it went ahead of the benchmark and up. Right now it's up 66% from the beginning. The benchmark's up 19%. Let's take a look at the portfolio. Here I am in Google Docs. This is my portfolio detail. On the left side here is the calculations. You can see it's up 66%. Here we have the active positions. One of the new ones is ALTM, which we're going to go into in a minute. It was just added today. I have 21 stocks in the portfolio, and as you can see through the list here, ARIS is number one with 59% increase, HRTG 26%, and BGC 26%, APEI 35%. We're going to go over some of those stocks later. And over here is the closed positions with the audit trail. Right here is the 4 that we removed. You can see the detail there, and here on the right side is the number of positions each time we made an update. So let's take a look at the new positions. Arcadium Lithium, Home Street, Teradata Technologies, Wisdom Tree. And here's the respective volume for all 4. Here's the market cap for these. Here's the type of sectors they're in. As you can see, the industries are specialty chemicals, banks, oil and gas equipment services, and asset management. So there was a lot of earnings reports in the last 2 weeks on the portfolio stocks. I'm going to take a look at 5 of them real quick. So the first I'm going to look at is APEI, which is an educational services company. And it had an earnings report that apparently Wall Street kind of liked. You can take a look at it there. Next, we're going to look at ARIS Water Solutions. I had an earnings report that came out recently, and you can see the information here. Apparently, Wall Street liked this one too. Next is BGC Group. It's a financial services company, and ARIS was a water utility. This one's financial services. You can see that it had a kind of a jump in the price here earlier in the week, and we are going to take a look at its information about the earnings. Next, we're going to see one of the ones that didn't do well is Heritage Insurance company. You see it had a drop. Oh, here we are. Apparently Wall Street didn't like these earnings. I'm not an expert on earnings, but they looked okay, but apparently not good enough for Wall Street. Now this particular update had positive points and negative points. I show them here. And the final one is Definitive Healthcare, which is a health info services company. You can see it had a bit of a drop recently. And here's his earnings information. They don't look that bad, but apparently Wall Street didn't like it and punished the stock. Let's take a look at the blog post that just went out to my subscribers. Here's the latest information. There was 4 stocks that were added and 4 stocks removed, total of 21 in the portfolio. The portfolio is up 66%, way ahead of the benchmark. A little bit about the back test here. And if you want to look at the information about the portfolio, it's right here. You can pause and look at it if you want to read it all. Here's what we added. Here's what we removed. And the ones that were up the most in the portfolio right now are these three right here. I've already showed them. This is my Swing Trader trading channel on YouTube. We already looked at the portfolio in detail. Here's a summary of all the 6 model portfolios that I support on this website with their corresponding performance against the benchmarks. We'll take a look at the back test here for the bi-weekly swings. You can see it has an impressive back test. And the summary is that the portfolio is up 66%, and it pretty much held its own against the benchmark since the last update 2 weeks ago. And one thing about this update, which is unusual, is we had a lot of earnings reports, and I covered 5 of them already. If you'd like more information about my website and how I pick my stocks for my portfolios, you can click on this link here, Criteria for Stock Selection, and it will cover what's excluded, the fundamental data used, equal weighted starting value, dividends, and back tests. And if you would like to get the latest updates in my model portfolios as quickly as possible, go to my website and subscribe. It's free. Thank you. Hello, I guess that wraps up the video for today. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. And if you did like the video, give me a like, and also make a comment if you feel you need to or want to talk about something. Thank you.